Hi guys and hi everyone, this is me, Racing Wolf, and the place where I am called DriftLimits, and today I'm testing one of these cars. I don't know which one yet, so it's gonna be chosen by instructor, but you will see it right now in a few seconds, guys. Let's jump into the car and let's see. Actually, you already know which car because you read the description. Okay, let's get into the car, let's drive it, let's have fun.
Right, so in this one you'll be between third and fourth gear. The gearing's really short in this one. I'm not exactly too sure why, but yeah, got really short gearing, so you'll be between third and fourth gear. As soon as you're going through third and you hear that sort of sounds like just like a rev limiter, just shift it up into fourth.
Got it.
Apart from that though, like I said, take it nice and easy around the corners because it's quite tyre squealy and also can be a bit loose at the back end sometimes, but overall I think you enjoy this one as well. It's quite different to the Skyline. Right, let's should we get out and see what you think of it? And
by the way, this is Toyota Supra, guys.
Yep.
Right, I think I'm like a bit...
Right, when you're ready. Clutch is fairly jumpy on this. We'll let them pass, and then once they're around, and the Atom's coming around as well.
Oh, it's not coming, it's flying.
Yeah, it's flying back in as well. Right, we're good to go. Also doesn't have any ABS as well. So
got it.
Too hard on the brakes, the wheels will lock up, right?
Got it.
Out to the left, through the middle, into the right, right to the left, through the middle, into the left, onto the brakes now, lift off into the right, out to the left, slightly riding across the middle of the apex, out and down the straight. Into the right.
That turbo sound is crazy.
It's nice, isn't it? It's
loving it. I thought it's only in the movies. Yeah.
Go back through the middle, into the left, through the green flags, waiting, straight up, down, try and get up to fourth a little bit earlier if you can.
Got it.
Out to the left, through the middle, through to the right, to the left, through the middle, lift off into the left.
Mate, that is amazing.
Prefer it to the Skyline, or there we go, anywhere along here will do. Yeah, prefer it to the Skyline, or would you prefer this? Sorry, do you prefer the Skyline, or would you prefer this?
Oh, this one is useless. This one is, I mean, Skyline is cool,
yeah,
but this one has a power.
Yes.
This one has that power, you know?
That's it.
That short gearbox is giving you like...
That's it. The power's good on this.
Yeah.
The handling's good on the Skyline.
Oh, the handling over there is much better.
They're both good at different things.
Exactly, because this one I could feel like, ooh, you know, coming. I'm like, okay.
Right on the edge.
Yeah. Right, guys, and again, hit the like button if you like this video, for me, for my instructor, and DriftLimits, if you want to come and try it by yourself. Thank you. Right, guys, this was legendary Supra, and I love it. I really love it. It's the engine, spot on, 3-liter turbo. The noise which turbo makes, unbelievably amazing. Unbelievably, you know. And this Fast and Furious sticker, I think it's made my day. You know, I'm a big fan of Fast and Furious, and exactly part 1, part 2, and Tokyo Drift as well, but this is what is my childhood, you know. I don't know who watching Fast and Furious 4, 5, 6, 7, and I know it's going to be up to 50, but who going to watch them? I don't know. This was the legendary movie. So guys, if you fan of this car, if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the description down below what you think about this car, what you think about the driving, and don't forget, guys, this is DriftLimits. You can come here and try this beauty as well. Me personally, guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.